Hi, welcome to Macio's multi-kernel installer. This time I'll be demoing the Linux Ubuntu, possibly for Mac if it works the same way, but just keep your fingers crossed. I'll need testers for that. If you want to try it out, send me a PM. But I'll be demoing the Ubuntu or Linux version for this time, and it's basically within the same Dropbox folder. If you don't have that folder synced yet already, do that. It's the easiest way. In the multi-batch folder, you'll find a Mac folder. Open that one. It'll have linuxtest.sh. It's a script file. It'll ask you to run. If you double-click it as terminal, do that. For the time being, though, you'll need to have it run as root. So if you don't have root set up already, do that. See if you can get it a little bit closer. That's better. If you don't have root set up, Google it. It's really easy to do. Without a password, it won't do it if it's the correct one. If you have that set up, move a little bit closer. If you have that set up, it'll show you the instructions, which one you want to flash. You have your options again, one to select, 2 to go back. You can pick any one you like here. And press 2 to go back. In this case, I'll be trying the stock because the battery life in the latest Fox kernel and the Franco R12, in my opinion, is really bad. But I want to compare it to the stock kernel that's in Revolution 7.1. So I'm gonna flash that one back. Select that one. Press 1 to select. It'll show you it's ready to flash. Just press any key. It'll start doing its thing. As you can see, it's pushing the modules. Just kill the TV. It'll push all the files. As you can see, the phone is still running though. It just pushes everything straight into the phone, and it'll actually reboot it as well, as you can see in a second. There you go. Fast boot. It'll wait for the device. It'll automatically push the kernel you selected, as you can see. It'll ask you if you see OK. If you see OK like in these steps, you're good. You can press 1. If you didn't see OK for some reason, you could always try to do a reflash. Press 2. I'll show it, just demonstrate it. Never mind the device not found, because it's already rebooted, and I'll try to flash him again, as you can see. If you see OK this time, press 1. Press enter. It'll reboot your phone. Give it a second to go. As you can see, I'll show you that it's now boot looping. Put a little bit down. It'll bravely boot, just to show you that it's working and it's not faking anything. Always takes a while, but if it's said and done, it will load into Revolutions HD with your kernel choice. There you have it. If you have any questions, post them. Ask me if you want to try it out on the Mac, or you have any issues with the Linux version or Windows. Feel free to post or PM me if necessary, and hope you guys like it.